Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning.
Waalaikumsalam, sir. Morning.
Boleh dengar nah? Alright.
Boleh, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Alright, guys. So last time we have done completely with binomial and Poisson. Binomial and Poisson. We call it back. Binomial and Poisson specialized for discrete variable. Okay, because discrete distribution, discrete is something that countable lah. Ingat balik lah. Something countable maksudnya bilangan manusia. Itulah benda yang boleh bilangan jari point apa semua tu lah. Point tak boleh. Point fraction tak boleh. Okay. Alright. So now we are focusing on the next part, the last distribution for your second semester, for your last part lah untuk you punya metric punya program ni kan. Okay. So we call it as normal distribution. Normal distribution is for continuous distribution. Alright. And then recall it back. Rasa dah belajar kot dulu kan? Belajar. Okay. So this is the notation of the normal distribution and mu sigma square. Sigma square is your variance. Alright. This is the standard table. We will use table of Z table for normal when mu equals to 0 and variance equals to 1. Right. And then of course we will focus on finding mean, variance, and then solve the problem lah. Okay. So let's take a look at the criteria on how to choose the situation to use normal distribution. Okay. You need to understand that total area under the curve is 1. So what does it mean? This is the curve. So total area here, total area will be 1. Okay, so maksudnya one-sided 0.5 and another side as well will be 0.5. Kenapa? Because of symmetrical about the mean. Maksudnya tengah-tengah ni mean guys. Tengah-tengah ni mean. Tengah-tengah mean. Sebelah kiri 0.5, sebelah kanan 0.5. Dia memang macam tu. Dia takkan ada yang skewed to the left or right. Tak ada. Okay. So two tails of the curve extend indefinitely. Indefinitely ni maksudnya yang ni guys. Yang ni. Dia sentiasa terbuka. Dia extend indefinitely. Will never touch x-axis. Never touch x-axis. Itu maksud dia. Tails extend indefinitely. Okay, itu dia punya kriteria dia. As I told you just now, continuous random variable for normal. Okay, this is the diagram for Z distribution. Z normal distribution tapi yang Z punya table. So tengah-tengah ni mesti kosong. Maksudnya mu dia 0. Mu dia 0. And then sigma dia 1 lah. Sigma variance dia 1. Okay. Variance 1, standard deviation pun 1 jugalah. Sebab cert 1 is 1. Okay. Alright. So ni contoh dia, gambar dia. So basically guys, you ada dua gambar tau. Satu Z distribution, satu X distribution. You ada dua gambar. Okay. Tak ada apa nak verify. Okay, let's focus on standardize the normal random variable. Okay. This is the standard Z variable. This is the formula guys. Sekejap, dekat sekolah dah belajar kan? Hello? Belajar lah kan? Isyak lah saya explain ni. Dengar tak dengar lah no? Okay. The most important part is the table. How do we read the table? When we have this symbol. Maksudnya table kita semuanya pakai simbol from that number onwards. From that number upwards. Dapat tak? Maksudnya greater than or equals to. Table kita sentiasa dekat nombor tu baca ke atas. Itu maksud dia. Okay. And then you need to understand. This one equals to this one. Satu lagi. Less than is actually equals to less than or equals to. Ni for continuous. Continuous Ada tak ada equal parts ni? Benda sama. Sama. Continuous, equal parts or not, similar. Maksudnya kecil daripada atau kecil daripada sama dengan sama. Nah, boleh faham tak tu? Boleh ya?
Boleh sir.
Boleh nah. Continuous sama lah. Dua simbol tu. Okay. Kalau discrete cerita lain lah. Discrete Poisson dengan binomial sebelum ni cerita lain lah. Okay guys, so let's find out how to use the table. Okay, tolong make sure dengan you sekarang ni ada buku statistik tu. Make sure dengan you sekarang ni ada buku statistik yang saya bagi tu. Okay, take a look at your book. Please find this table. Table of the standard normal distribution. Jumpa dah? Page berapa? Page 21. Okay, Fazli, thank you. Alright, so by looking at your table, statistical table books tu, page 21, you can see that one is the only table we use for normal distribution. Tapi ada satu lagi tu nanti cerita rare cases, nanti saya cerita lain lah tu. Okay, tapi kita mostly we solely focus on this table only. Alright. Okay, so let's do the first part, the first example. Okay, given to you the distribution is straightforward the table itself. Maksudnya kalau dia bagi normal 0 mu, sigma square dia 1, maksudnya boleh terus directly tengok table. Okay. So take a look at part A. Probability of Z greater than 1.2. So probability of Z greater than 1.2. Okay, first of all saya nak kamu faham benda ni sama je dengan probability of Z greater than or equals to 1.2. Is that okay? Boleh terima tak?
Boleh sir.
Boleh lah. Okay. And then if we use a diagram, kalau kita buat diagram dia macam mana? Lama tak buat bell shape ni. Okay. So tengah-tengah ni kosong. 1.2 ni dekat mana? 1.2. Kanan kosong ke kiri kosong?
Kanan.
Kanan. So 1.2 will be somewhere here. 1.2. So Z nak besar ke nak kecil daripada 1.2?
Besar.
Nak besar kan? So guys, the idea is the answer will be what? Your answer will be less than 0.5. Betul tak? Jawapan kamu sekali lagi, kamu kena faham, jawapan kamu mesti kecil daripada 0.5. Sebab separuh bell shape tu, 0.5 tau. Boleh terima tak? Boleh ke?
Boleh sir.
Okay. So, let's take a look at the table. Probability of Z greater than 1.2. Maksudnya kita tengok dekat 1.2 guys. 1.2. So, first of all, kita tengok dekat 1.2. Sini, 1.2. Nampak tak?
Nampak sir.
Okay, dia nak exactly 1.2 kan? 1.2 kan? 1.20 lah maksudnya, betul?
Betul sir.
Okay, 1.20. So, maksudnya kita akan tengok sini juga. So, kita akan ambil yang ni, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Kita akan ambil yang ni. 0.1151. Boleh terima tak?
Boleh sir.
Okay,
Boleh
so
sir.
0. Thank you. 1151. Kena faham Table yang kita bagi adalah bacaan sebelah kanan guys. Table yang kita bagi sentiasa bacaan sebelah kanan. Okay. Bacaan yang table bagi sentiasa macam ni. Bacaan sebelah sini. Bacaan sebelah sini. And then dia akan sentiasa bagi daripada point tu ke atas. Okay. Boleh nah? Dia yang penting kamu kena faham tu dulu. Alright, so move on to part B. Mari tengok part B. So part B, we want probability of -2 to 2. Okay, so let's sketch the graph first. Okay, sketching graph ni sangat penting tuan-tuan dan puan. Apa saya macam bagi ceramah politik pula ni tuan-tuan dan puan. Okay. So sini minus 2.0, yang ni 2.0. Betul tak? Boleh terima tak?
Boleh,
Boleh,
sir.
sir.
Boleh nah, dia mesti symmetrical lah. Bell shape tu kena symmetrical, and then minus 2 tu dengan 2 tu pun kiri kanan tu size dia kena sama lah. Okay. So this is the shaded region that we want to obtain. Okay. Daripada sini, you kena faham. Table, you can read the table only for the right hand side. So, faham tak kalau saya kata, yang ni boleh dapat daripada table?
Faham?
Maksudnya kita read table apa dia? Probability of Z greater than
Tu.
2. Betul? Boleh?
Boleh, sir.
Okay. So, let's read the table. So, yang mana satu? Yang mana satu kat ni? Tu. Tengok tu. Oh. So, tu. Lama. Buat ni. Awak tak faham macam ni. Guys, boleh dengar tak suara saya ni?
Boleh, sir.
Awak lag ni. Okay. Okay, dekat tu. Oh, dia tak nampak saya pakai color ni. Kejap. Kalau apa? Hijau. Ya. One second. Bedal. Okay, so let's read the table. Ni green color lah. So kita tengok dekat tu kan. Dekat tu. And then dia punya point dia pun 2.00 lah kan. So kita tengok dekat 00 jugalah. Boleh terima? So yang ni.
Boleh, sir.
Boleh lah. Okay. So means that the value of this part is 0.0228. Okay. Boleh faham tak kawasan yang ni? Kawasan yang kecil ni adalah ni. 0.0228. Boleh tak?
Boleh, sir.
Okay.
Boleh, sir.
So means that to calculate probability of minus 2 Z to 2, kita boleh guna total 1, betul tak? Total 1. Okay. Yang belah kiri ni berapa guys? Yang belah kiri ni. Yang belah kiri ni.
0.0228.
Sama juga kan? 0.0228. Kenapa sama? Sebab bentuk bell shape ni symmetrical Our normal distribution always symmetrical. So kalau belah kanan 2, 0.0228, sebelah kiri negatif 2 pun akan sama, 0.0228. So maksudnya to get the shaded region, so we need to minus 0.0228 and minus another 0.0228. You guys faham tak ni?
Boleh, sir.
Okay, please do calculate. What you get? 0.9
544.
544. Okay, good. Memang semua positif. Macam mana Nazrul? Tak faham. Dia probability sentiasa positif Nazrul. Probability mana ada negatif? Probability kan? Probability kan 0 hingga 1 je. Nah, probability nombor dia punya ni je. Bacaan dia tu negatif. Tapi bila kita go probability, dia akan jadi positif. Kenapa dia negatif 2 dekat sini? Sebab dia duduk sebelah kiri kosong. Tapi area, size area sentiasa positif. Area tu adalah probability ya. Okay nah. Okay. Alright, so let's proceed with example number 2. Okay, once again given to you straightforward. we can read from the table. Sebabnya benda yang sama, guys. Benda yang sama. Kalau dia distribution bagi macam ni, maksudnya kita straightforward boleh tengok kat table. But this time slightly different. Given to you the probability, they want you to obtain A. Okay, chill. First of all, bila dapat soalan macam ni, maksudnya dia nak cari dalam ni pula. Dalam ni pula. Okay, yang dalam pula. Tadi nak cari probability. Ini dia bagi yang Z tu pula. So what should we do is, the first thing, sketch your bell shape. Mesti sketch. Kalau tak sketch tu, biasanya sama ada dia faham niru atau faham saya pun buat bell shape. Saya pun buat bell shape. So kalau you betul-betul power sangat, gila-gila tu, tak tahulah kan, Allah malam lah. Okay. Tolong gunakanlah benda ni. Alright guys. Z less than A adalah 0.9. Z less than A is 0.9. So you rasa A duduk belah kanan ke duduk belah kiri? Faham soalan saya tak? So do you think A will be in the right hand side of the table? In the right hand side of the bell shape or left hand side of the bell shape? Which one? Kiri. Okay.
Kanan kot.
Kalau you kata kiri kan? Kalau you kata kiri, saya letak dekat sini A lah. Z less than A maksudnya Z less than A yang ni. Is it logic for this one to be 0.9222? Tak logik kan? Betul? Okay. Takkan kawasan kecil ni 0. Berapa tu? Dia mestilah kawasan yang besar. Okay. Sebabnya, kena faham. Total area is 1 guys. Total area is 1. Maximum 1. Okay. So, A should be in the right hand side of your diagram. Okay. So, then Z less than A. Z less than A will be this area. So now, is it logic this area to be 0.9222? Logic tak?
Logic.
Logic.
Logic kan? Because total area will be 1. Okay. But this part here, this part, you can get from?
Table.
From table. Kena faham. Cara nak read from table adalah probability of Z greater than or equals to A akan dapat berapa? Guys, total up 1 tau. Total up 1. So means that this region will be?
1 minus 0.922.
So this region we get from 1 minus 0.9222, which we get as 0.0778.
0778.
0.0778. So guys, we knew already that this side yang kecil ni, the orange color ni will be 0.0778. Means that probability of Z greater than or equals to A, greater than pun cukup dah. Kalau tak nak buat equals part pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Is equals to 0.0778. Setakat ni, this mathematical equation, do you understand or not? This one.
Faham, sir.
Understand, sir.
Faham, sir.
Okay, so faham lah. So benda ni yang kena faham betul-betul. Alright, so kalau faham benda ni, should be okay. Give me a second. Saya nak padam, saya nak pakai blue color. Probability of Z greater than or equals to A just now is 0.0778. Okay, so now let's read the table guys. Probability of Z greater than or equals to something, you will get 0.0778. So take a look at your table. Find 0.778. You tengok dekat tengah-tengah table tu. 0.778. You nampak tak? So you get here kan? 0.0778. So 1.4. 1.4 plus 0.02. 1.4.
2.
1.42. Very good. So this is the reading from table. Z greater than or equals to 1.42. You get exactly the similar probability that we want. So what does it mean? By comparison, A is 1.42. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay lah. Kita compare. Alright. So done already with part A. Let's move on to part B. Okay, take a look at part B. As I told you before, if you want to find the number of Z, what should we do is always go bell shape. We need to spot either our A is left hand side or right hand side. So our A will be in which part, guys? Our A, left hand side or right hand side? Z
Right.
greater than right hand side, kan? So A will be here as well. Why? Because Z greater than A, this part will be 0.2358. Is it logic? Sorry. Okay, guys. And coincidentally, part B is easier to part A. Part B is easier compared to part A, right? Kan? Patut kita buat part B ni dulu tadi. And then, sebenarnya daripada table sendiri, memang kita boleh dapatkan apa? Daripada table. Z greater than A equals to 0.2358. Okay, take a look at your table. Zero point two three five eight. So where is it? 2358. 0.7. Be careful 0.7. Tapi dia ada ni juga ni. Sini 0.72. So what does it mean? From the table, we read that Z greater than 0.72 is exactly the probability that we want, 0.2358. Therefore, by using comparison, our A is 0.72. Okay tak?
Okay, sir.
Okay lah kan, logik lah kan. A to 0.7 sebab dia duduk sebelah kanan 0 kan. Logik lah. Okay. Any question regarding this example? Can we proceed? Boleh? Okay lah. Alright, so let's proceed. Okay, thank you. So let's proceed with example number 3. So example number 3 is kind of the real life situation lah. When we are dealing with the situation with, in this case, mu is 25. And then sigma square is 16. Nah, sampai sekarang ni kita dah deal dengan benda yang real. Okay, mu is 25. So how do we get the probability? So the idea is, kena faham kita ada dua jenis bell shape. So the first bell shape is this one. Where in the middle is 25. So be alert guys, this is X bell shape X bell shape. Bukan Z Z bell shape dia mesti tengah-tengah dia 0. Ni macam ni tadi Z bell shape ni. Ni Z bell shape tengah-tengah dia 0. Z bell shape tengah-tengah 0. So you kena faham tu. Just now pun ni Z bell shape tengah-tengah 0. Ni pun Z bell shape tengah-tengah 0. Okay, so you have two types of bell shape for Z and for X. So now this is for X. Maksudnya macam ni lah gambar dia 25. So kalau saya nak space, let's say if we want to do for part A, kalau saya nak gambarkan dia secara X, okay, X bell shape, mu in the middle, mu 25. So guys, probability of 25 to 32. 25 to 32. So 32 will be somewhere here, betul tak? Boleh terima? So this is the region that we want to calculate. Dapat tak idea?
Dapat, sir.
Okay, Chun. Okay, so now we want to convert this bell shape to Z bell shape. Maksudnya kita nak tukar kepada Z bell shape, tuan-tuan dan puan. Z bell shape kita, semua bentuk akan sama. Cuma gambar saja, cuma nombor saja akan berubah. In the middle will be 0. So, dia punya 32 tu pun akan duduk dekat sini. Cuma the number will not be 32. But the size of the area always will be similar. Sekarang ni kita tengah nak cari ni. Dapat idea tak? Kita nak cari tanda soal tu. Okay. So that's why we have the formula just now. Back to our formula. Mana formula kita tadi? This is our formula. Nampak ni? Z equals to X minus mu over sigma. X minus mu over sigma. Therefore, let's go to our case. Maksudnya apa, tuan-tuan dan puan? 32 here, we can convert to this one, becomes 32 minus mu, because the formula is this one, X minus mu over sigma. So, 32 minus mu over sigma. Sigma is what?
4.
4 kan? Your standard deviation is 4. So, divided by 4. So, what do you get for your Z?
1.75.
1.75. So, what does it mean? Okay. This number here will be 1.75. Is that okay? Dapat idea tak?
Okay, sir.
Okay. And then guys, we always read our table from Z distribution. Table kita sentiasa yang guna yang orange ni. So always from Z. X distribution tu sekadar nak gambarkan sahaja. X bell shape tadi tu. Z bell shape yang kita boleh tengok table. Okay. And then you need to understand, from table we can find out this one. So kita cari kawasan ni. Alamak, tak tahu celah mana saya nak tulis ni. So how to get this part? Probability of Z greater than 1.75, betul tak?
Betul, sir.
Okay, dapat apa from table? 1.75. Mari tengok. Mana 1.75? Yang ni 1.75. Yang ni. So apa bacaan dia? Ni kan? Okay tak?
Okay, sir. Betul-betul.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 0.0401. Okay, Basli, thank you. 0401 0.0401. 0401. Therefore, here will be 0.0401 dekat sini. Okay, guys. So, what happened to the calculation? To get the probability of X in between 25 and 32, the calculation will be what? Separuh. Separuh daripada bell shape berapa? 0.5 kan?
0.5.
0.5. So to get the shaded region, so 0.5 minus 0.0401, and then calculate, you will get the answer 0.4599. Is it okay? Clear tak?
Okay, sir.
Jalan macam mana? Jalan okey? Boleh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sebab soalan normal ni memang confirm keluar exam. Normal memang confirm. Confirm keluar exam. Poisson atau binomial biasanya, kebiasaannya salah satu akan keluar. Tapi normal confirm keluar dalam exam. Okay. Alright. So let's take a look at part B. Kita tengok part B. Okay guys, so part B, the idea of the X distribution will be the X bell shape. X bell shape. In the middle will be 25. Sebab X bell shape tengah-tengah mesti mu. So 18 dekat sini, tuan-tuan nampak? 18. 18 dekat sini. 34 dekat sini tau. 34. So we want this region. Got the idea tak? Boleh?
Boleh, sir.
Alright. So guys, we have the idea already. The shaded region will be covered in left hand side and right hand side. Ada kena tolak juga kiri kanan tu. But guys, we always can look at our table if we have the Z distribution only. Replicate the similar size of the bell shape. In the middle, instead of 25, we change it to 0. So we need to find 18 conversion to Z, what happened? 34 conversion to Z, what happened? The size will be similar, the probability of the shaded region will be similar. Kamu faham tak? X tadi saya convert kepada Z, cuma gambar sama, semua sama size, nombor saja saya akan ubah. Yang tu faham?
Faham, sir.
Okay. So let's calculate for 18 guys. Z. What happen if we use 18? 18 minus mu, 25 over 4. So what do you get? And then Z for 34 pula. 34 minus mu, 25 over 4. Dapat apa pula? So for 18 you get?
Negative 1.75.
Okay. Minus 1.75. For 34?
2.25.
2.25. Okay. So what does it mean? The green color calculation we get for this part, guys. Minus 1.75 here. From 18 change to minus 1.75. From 34 just now change to 2.25. Now we can read the table. Okay. Okay. From the table, we can read this one kan? Daripada table kita boleh read yang ni, betul tak?
Betul, sir.
Okay. So here we can read the table, probability of Z greater than 2.25. So what is the value? 2.25. Take a look at the table. 2.25. Nampak tak? 2.2. Yang ni. 5. Yang ni juga. So the value is this one kan? Betul tak?
Yes, sir.
0.0122. 0.0122. 0.0122. Logik lah kan? Kawasan dia pun kecil kat situ. Ini second, saya nak berbesar balik. Okay. Okay. Yang kanan ni dah dapat guys. How about the left hand side? Left hand side ni nak dapat macam mana? Kejap saya nak tanya. Kalau, okay. Let's say this part Let's say this part. Kita tukar jadi macam ni, faham tak? Ni 0. Yang ni saya tukar jadi 1.75. Sama tak kawasan ni dengan yang kawasan hijau ni? Ni dua ni.
Sama.
Dua kawasan ni. Sama saiz kan?
Sama.
Sama saiz. Sama saiz Okay. So, by using the latest Z diagram ni, latest Z bell shape ni, kita boleh dapatkan yang belah kanan ni. So, this one we can read as probability of Z greater than 1.75. So, what do we get? On the table, 1.75. Tadi dah macam baca je 1.75. Kan? Previous question, betul tak? 0401 tadi kan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, this part we get just now 0401. So, we get the idea that this region 0.0401. Okay. So now let's move on to the calculation a little bit on to get the region. So this is the question. So the region will be 1 minus those two small regions kan? Betul tak?
Betul, sir.
0.0401 minus 0.0122. Dapat idea tak? Boleh tak?
Boleh.
Sebab total area satu lah. Jadi kita tolak yang belah kiri tu dengan tolak yang belah kanan tu, dapatlah tengah-tengah dia. So calculate boleh kan?
Sir, 0.0401.
0401 401 lah. 0401. Okay. So dapat apa dah?
0.9477.
9477. Thank you, Sita. 9477. Very good. Okay. Just make sure that your probability always less than 1. Less than 1 and be logic. Okay. So far okay? Boleh tak?
Boleh, sir.
Ini kalau apa tengok nota saya ni tak dengar, tak tengok recording ataupun tak fokus ni memang jenuh jugalah nak memahamkan dia ni. Okay, kalau full sungguh ini ni. Alright, so move on to example number 4. Inilah masalah dunia guys. Ini masalah dunia. Soalan-soalan macam ni lah. Okay. Given to you normal distribution without mu. Without mu given. Find the value of mu if probability is, dia bagi probability tuan-tuan dan puan. So from the probability, so let's sketch for X first. So in the middle will be mu. Okay guys, 77.5 will be in the right hand side of mu ke sebelah kiri? Kiri ke kanan? 77.5, this one.
Kanan.
Okay, kenapa kanan bukan sebab positif tau? Bukan sebab positif. Sebab kalau kita letak di sebelah kanan, 77.5, so X greater than, so this region, is it logic the region to be 0.1736? Logic tak?
Logic.
Logic, because less than 0.5, kan? Okay. So logic. So now once the situation is logic already, the graph logic already, let's convert to Z. Let's convert to Z. As I told you before, similar size. The good one, the good part is when we do Z, in the middle always zero now. In the middle always zero. Okay. So take a look at the size of the area just now, similar to the above area. So this region will be 0.1736 as well. So we just need to get this part. Okay, we just need to get this part. So to get this part, we can read from the table, Z greater than something, 0.1736. Right, betul tak? Greater than something, 0.1736. So find out where is 1736. Cari 1736 kat mana? Ui, laju Insyirah 0.94. So 0.9, 0.94. Ni, you dapat kat sini ni. 1736. Yang lain macam mana?
Sama, sir.
1736. So means that we obtain that this apa tanda soal ni is 0.94. Boleh tak?
Okay, sir.
Okay, faham dah tu kan? So what does it mean? From the formula, Z equals to X minus mu over sigma. Okay. And then you need to understand that this one is sigma square. Okay. So Z, guys. Z. The Z is 0.94. This one is your Z. Is it okay? Boleh tak?
Boleh, sir.
Okay. Equals to, what is your X? Your X. 77.
77.5.
77.5. Minus mu is the one that we want to obtain. So keep it as mu divided by sigma.
10.
10.
Set 100 which is 10. Right. Betul tak? Boleh? So guys, calculate. You will get your mu. What do you get for your mu? Siapa yang share device, tolong bagi tahu saya nah.
68.1.
Sorry. 68 point.
68.1.
Okay, thank you, Swita. 68.1. Okay. Let's be logic. Is it logic 68.1 to be here? Logic tak?
Logic, sir.
Logic because 68.1 less than 77.5. Logik lah. Sebab dia duduk sebelah kiri. Kalau let's say you dapat 80 something. 80 something. Tak logik lah. Because 77.5 duduk belah kanan. Kan? So tak logik lah. So this one should be correct lah. 68.1. Okay. Is it okay? Can we proceed? Boleh?
Boleh, sir.
Okay. So let's proceed with the next part. 2 more examples. Example number 5. Allah Rabbi. This time we want you guys to find these two. So if we want to find two unknowns, that's why given to you 2 clues. Bila 2 unknown, 2 clue, so 2 equation, equation 1, equation 2, simultaneous equation. Dapat tak? Nampak tak idea dia?
Nampak, sir.
Okay. So let's take a look at the first clue. The first clue is probability of x less than 13 is 0.158. Sorry. 1587. Right. So let's sketch first. So this one for x distribution. So mu in the middle. Okay guys, 13 right hand side, left hand side. 13
Left.
left will be on the left. 13 will be on the left. Why? Because x less than 13 will be 1587 too. So this region is 0.1587. Okay. So what does it mean? In Z diagram, similar size, similar area, similar probability. We just, in the middle, mu already 0. We just need to find out what is the corresponding value of 13 in Z diagram. Okay. So, macam mana kita nak calculate ni? Calculate this part. Formula, Z equals to X minus mu over sigma, right? Guys, okay lah.
Okay, sir.
Substitute the corresponding value. Corresponding value Z. Corresponding value Z. Oh, dia duduk sebelah situ . Alamak, confusing pula. Style lah soalan ni. Tak apa, kita chill dulu tu. Let's take a look at clue number 2. Mari kita tengok clue number 2 dulu. Okay. Saya nak hold belah sini. Skot lah clue number 2 lagi senang dulu kan. Okay, probability of X greater than 22.0228. Okay. So X distribution. Macam bell shape kejap naik, kejap turun lah. Okay. So 22 will be on right hand side kan? Okay tak?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So X greater than, so this region. greater than. So this probability will be 0.0228. Okay. So what does it mean? In Z distribution, alah, 0. Okay. Dia clue ni senang sikit. 0.0228 similar size. Okay. So let's find out what is this part. Guys, we can read the table kan? This one kan? Betul tak? Probability of Z greater than something will be 0.0228. Mari tengok table. 0228. Kat mana? Oh, 228, 2.0. Ha, okay. Oh, 228 dekat sini 228. Buat ni. Will be here. Oh, 228. So, 2.0 plus 0.00, 2.0 sajalah. So, what does it mean? This part will be 2.0. Is that okay? Boleh tak? So, tanda soal yang ni adalah 2.0. So, means that from the formula, Z equals to X minus mu over sigma. This is the formula. Z dia apa? 2.0 kan? 2.0 ataupun 2 saja cukup lah. 2 corresponding X
22.
22 minus mu is the one that we need to obtain together with sigma. So what does it mean, guys? This is equation 1 ataupun ni clue yang kedua, equation 2 lah. Okay. Got the idea tak?
Dapat, sir.
Okay, so we need to find the first equation. Okay, yang ni masalahnya dia duduk sebelah kiri, tuan-tuan dan puan. Dia duduk sebelah kiri. Okay. Tanda soal yang ni, kalau saya pindah belah kanan boleh tak?
Boleh, sir.
Kita pindah belah kanan. Kenapa kita pindah belah kanan? Supaya yang ni, kita anggap juga saiz dia 0.1587. Kenapa? Table kita belah kanan, guys. Kita tak ada table sebelah kiri. Boleh terima tak?
Boleh.
Okay. So, kalau kita cari yang belah kanan, sekali lagi kita pantulkan dia sebelah kiri. Nanti kita dapatlah apa tanda soal yang belah kiri tu. Okay, let's read from the table. Probability of Z greater than what? That you will get 0.1587. Cuba cari. Oh, 1.0. Lajunya. Mari tengok Ustaz. So yang ni 1.0 1587. So here 1.0. 1.0. Therefore, tanda soal yang ni adalah 1.0. 1.0. Boleh terima tak? This one implies this one. So maksudnya tanda soal in left hand side will be what? Negative 1.0. So kalau kanan 1.0, sebelah kiri negative 1.0 lah. Okay, so now we get the corresponding values whatsoever. Z and X kita dah dapat lah, dia dah semua. Formula Z X minus mu over sigma. Substitute the corresponding value. Z minus 1.0, betul?
Betul, sir.
X
13.
13 minus mu over sigma. Guys, this is equation number 1. Okay, nampak tak masa depan? Boleh ya? So, kalau you simplify nak. So, maksudnya kena buat persamaan serentak lah ni. Simplify. Okay, jom. Man, kita cari mu dengan sigma dapat apa? So minus sigma equals to 13 minus mu. So sigma is mu minus 13. So yang ni 2 sigma is 22 minus mu. So yang ni kita boleh masukkan dekat dalam sigma, kan? Betul tak? 2 mu minus 13 lepas tu 22 minus mu. So dapat apa? 2 mu minus 26, 22 minus mu. So 3 mu left hand side. Right hand side will be 48. So what you get for mu? Mu you will get 6.
16.
16. Mu you get 16. And then substitute back. Sigma 16 minus 13. So sigma will be
3.
3. So dapatlah mu dengan sigma. Boleh tak?
Boleh, sir.
Okay. Boleh lah. Kalau boleh kita nak proceed terus. Last. Okay. Let's proceed lah. Proceed with example number 6. Last one. The length of house flies follow a normal distribution. Dia bagi tahulah normal distribution. Mean variance. Be careful lah. Given to you variance. So means that sigma square is 0.09. Mu is 2. Find the probability more than 2.28. Okay. Part A means that probability of X more than 2.28, guys. So part B, probability of X less than 1.45. Okay. Macam tu saja. So X normally distributed as 2, 0.09. Boleh tak? Faham tak?
Faham, sir.
Mari kita cari laju-laju lah. Kacang gorengnya ni. Tak ada apa lah. Okay. Tak apalah, saya lukis jugalah dia punya X distribution dia. Sebab saya dah ajar buat satu persatu kan. So in the middle will be 2. So 2.28 will be right inside. 2.28. So X greater than sebelah kanan. So kita nak cari yang ni. Okay. Hati-hati jangan baca table 2.28 pula. Salah tau. Okay. You need to convert to Z distribution dulu. Baru boleh read table. Okay. Macam tu bro. So 2.28. So you need to get the corresponding value for Z first. Okay. So to get Z, formula 2.28 minus mu 2 over sigma. Set 0.09. So Z dapat apa, guys? Sorry. Please calculate.
0.93.
0.93 lah. 0.93. So what does it mean? Here the value is 0.93. Nah, baru kita boleh tengok table. Okay. So means that to get this one, we need probability of Z greater than, sorry nak pakai color ni lah. Okay, so to get this region, we need probability of Z greater than 0.93. Okay, table 0.93. 0.93. This one. So, value 0.176 to 1762. Boleh faham tak?
Boleh, sir.
Kalian macam mana? Okay,
Boleh, sir.
diam lah. Okay lah tu boleh kot. Okay. So let's solve for part B. So for part B, X diagram. In the middle will be mu 2. So 1.45 left hand side, 1.45. X less than. So this part is the one that we want to obtain lah. Yang ni lah kita nak cari. 1.45. So let's convert to Z distribution. Z diagram. Background. In the middle will be 0. So 1.5 we need to convert to Z. So we need this region. Okay. So by using formula, Z will be 1.45 minus 2 over Z 0.09. Okay, what do you get for Z? You will get negative minus
1.83.
1.83, right? 1.83, so means that 1.83 will be here. Okay, this one will be 1.83. Guys, be careful. We cannot read the table directly negative 1.83. Kita tak ada negative 1.83. So what should we do?
Reflect.
Okay, kita reflect. Okay, kita reflect. Reflect to the right hand side. So minus 1.83 will be 1.83 here. So this region, this region will be here. The size will be similar. Yang ni dengan ni akan sama. Okay. Therefore, this part we can read from the table. Probability of Z greater than 1.83 will be what? 1.83? 1.83? 1.83? Somebody like to say?
0.0336.
336. Okay. 0336. 0336. So then from the table, 0336. Okay tak? Guys, so done already completely with normal distribution. Tinggal satu saja lagi lecture. Kita nak convert binomial ke normal. Nak convert binomial ke normal. Binomial berubah jadi normal. Okay, so far any question regarding normal? Tak ada dah lah.
Kerja saya tak habis salin lagi.
Tu tak bisa lagi. Laju sangat lah. Okay guys, so I think that's all for today. Done already with the second last lecture. Next week kita akan sambung satu lagi lecture. Lepas tu nanti satu lecture lagi. Tengoklah kita buat apa yang patut. Okay. Tomorrow, for tomorrow we have class face to face ada class. InsyaAllah kita akan buat bingo lah. Okay. Bingo chapter berapa? Nak chapter berapa? 6, 7 tak mau dah. 6, 7 UPS malam ni. So nak chapter berapa? Chapter 9 atau chapter 10? Cepatlah pilih. Chapter 9 atau chapter 10? Chapter 10?
Time lagi okey kot, sir.
Chapter 10 lagi okey. Habis tu bila nak study chapter 9 korang ni. Okay. Tomorrow we will do chapter 10 lah. Sebab request chapter 10 tak apa. Saya follow. Chapter 10. Binomial, Poisson and normal lah. Cover semua yang dah belajar lah. Alright. So I see you guys tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Okay. Okay, that's it guys. You may go to your next class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Presenting. Bye. Jom.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.